Good evening. I'm Renu Lobo, and a very, very warm welcome to all our viewers. This is our first live call-in show after a hiatus of 14 months. The reason being we were moving from old premises in Elmhurst to our new studios in Long Island City. So it took time to move in and get back into the business of live shows. But I'm very, absolutely delighted to have you talking to us later on today. So please be right near your phones, right in front of your TV sets, and keep those phones ringing today. And joining me today on our first live show, I'm absolutely honored and privileged to have with us a very rare artist, a very gifted lady whose musical talents have made her an icon and given her acclaim all over the world, Anuradha Podwal, who has made India a little bit more devotional, a little bit more pious with her music. Anuradha ji, welcome to our show. Welcome to New York. I know you just arrived from India yesterday, so it's been a pleasure to have you here with us. Now, I believe, of course, you have sung over 5,000 songs in over 500 films. And your first film was Abhiman.
Yes.
Tell us how you got your first break.
Well, my husband Arun Podwal was assistant to S.D. Burman ji, and it was during the background of Abhiman that he happened to record a shlok in my voice at home, and Barmanda heard the shlok, and he called me over to the studios and recorded the same shlok in my voice.
I see. And that was like 15, 20 years ago?
Exactly 25 years
25.
ago.
Oh boy, that's a quarter of a century.
Yes.
And did you have any inspiration from your parents? How was
Yes,
it?
my mother was very fond of music, and she always nurtured this desire that I should become a playback singer. And she used to learn from Omkarnath Thakurji, and she always wanted me to sing.
I see. And is she still around?
Yes, she's here in States with me.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, Mataji
Yes,
is going to be
yes.
here with us.
Because my sister stays here,
Right.
and she's going to be with her also.
I see.
And apart from my mother being very fond of music, my parents-in-law, my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, were particularly fond of music, and my father-in-law had an ardent desire that I become a playback singer.
I see. Because even your husband,
Yes.
he was a music arranger.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
And you had some formal training with Pandit Jasraj ji and Pandit
I learned
Ramnaran.
from quite a number of people. I learned from Pandit Jasraj ji, I learned from Ram Narayan ji, and Ajay Pohankar, and Mohanji Karmani.
Right. Actually, I just met Pandit Jasraj ji a few days ago, and he was talking very highly about his student,
Okay.
Anuradha ji. And then, of course, you sang in so many films. It was The Hero, Mr. and Mrs. Khilari, of course. That's
Yes.
recent. Lal Dupatta, Mal Malka, Aashiki, Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, and then Sadak, Jeena Teri Gali Mein, Aur Pyar Ho Gaya,
Ji.
and Aflatun.
Yes, quite a number of them.
So it's been like no looking back. Sky's the limit now. But tell me, why? I mean, you got into more towards devotional music. Is that because you had a liking for? Because I know you're Mata Ka Bhagat.
Yes, actually, about 7-8 years back, after we did Aashiki, Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, and Meera Ka Mohan, and all these films, you know, after their success, we observed that we also were doing devotionals, and a lot of people, you know, there was a very different sort of a bond,
Right.
you know, that they felt when they saw me or they met me. You know, this bond was, I mean, that of a devotion or a common, you know, common feeling for God. So then I went into devotionals, and after I went into devotionals, there was hardly any time left for me to sing outside in films, because it was very time consuming.
Right, right.
And for the work that we did in devotionals, a lot of Sanskrit shlokas I sang,
Yes.
and a lot of bhete and all. I mean, devotional is you have to work for it.
Right.
Like, you know, you have to constantly be on the lookout for what you want to do. So it didn't come on a platter. And then for that type of research and that type of study, I couldn't pursue the film career. But then since the past 1.5 years, I started singing in films again. But devotional is still my priority.
That's your passion, of
Yes.
course. And actually, you're here in New York to sing devotional music, Mata Ki
Yes.
Chauki,
Yes.
which is going to happen on this Saturday, July 18th at the Divya Dham Gita Temple. And of course, the
Yes.
man behind it all is Swami
Swamiji.
Jagdishwaranandji, and you are very, very close to the Swamiji as well, this temple. And I want to tell our viewers that Gita Temple is the second oldest temple in the U.S. And Swamiji is a very dynamic person. You know, he 4 years ago started another branch called Divya Dham Temple. And 3 years ago, something very unusual happened in USA. He was actually the man behind it all who brought the Divya Jyoti, the divine
Yes,
light from
yes.
51 Shakti Peeth. And I want to tell our viewers another thing. I want to share with them something it's a very strange coincidence that our first live show, and my first live show after 14 months, is on something very devotional, very pious and religious. We have a very devotional artist over here, Anuradha Podwalji. And they always say when you start something, you always invoke the blessings of God. And I'm sure with our first live show after so many months, we are invoking the blessings of God with Anuradha Podwalji's heartfelt renderings of scriptures, Shiv Stotras and the Durga Stotras as well. And to tell me more about the Gita Temple in Divya Dham and its activities and what Anuradha Podwalji is going to be doing this Saturday, July 18th, Mata Ki Chauki, we have with us Vibha Pathak ji. She's very much a representative of Gita Temple. She's been very closely associated with Gita Temple for the longest time, as far as I know. Whenever you go, she's there to give prasadam and shanamad. It's a pleasure to have you here with us, Vibha ji. आप मुझे बताइए कि ये जो 4 धाम है दिव्य धाम में कुछ थोड़ा उसके ऊपर हमको
जी
बताएं।
स्वामी जी ने वहाँ पर दिव्य धाम को दिव्य धाम में एक्चुअली स्वामी जी ने 1008 शिवलिंग की स्थापना की है, जो एक जगह इंडिया में भी देखने को नहीं मिलता है। और 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग की भी स्थापना की है स्वामी जी ने, जो एक लिंग के अंदर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग है, जिसका स्वामी जी ने 95 में प्राण प्रतिष्ठा 1008 कपल के साथ करवाया था। और अभी स्वामी जी ने वहाँ पर 4 धाम की स्थापना बनवा रहे हैं उत्तराखंड के। उत्तराखंड में आता है गंगोत्री, यमुनोत्री, केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, और भारत के और भी जो 4 धाम आते हैं, जिसमें रामेश्वरम, केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, रामेश्वरम और जगन्नाथपुरी हैं। तो इस सब की स्थापना स्वामी जी ने वहाँ पर करवाया है। और ऋषिकेश में लक्ष्मण झूला, राम झूला, ये सबको भी स्वामी जी ने उसमें दिखाने की कोशिश की है। और करीब स्वामी जी ने जर्मन से वहाँ पर 80 मंगवाया है ट्रेन, जो ट्रेन उस माउंट बनवाए हैं, उस माउंट पे वो ट्रेन कैसे जाएगी, ऋषिकेश कैसे पहुँचेगी, क्या क्या सुविधाएं हैं, नीचे से ऊंचाई तक, हिमालय की ऊंचाई तक कितने फीट की दूरी है, कौन कौन सी नदियाँ, जैसे हमारी प्रमुख नदियाँ जो हैं अलकनंदा है, मंदाकिनी है, गंगा है, यमुना है, इन सबको स्वामी जी ने उसमें दिखाने की कोशिश किया है। और जो आप उसमें हमारे जो दिव्य ज्योति की बात आपने की है, उसकी भी स्वामी जी ने महालक्ष्मी, महासरस्वती और महाकाली की स्थापना करके एक गुफा के अंदर में उन्होंने बनवाया है, ताकि जो हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति को जानने वाले बच्चे हैं, जो वहाँ नहीं जा पाते हैं या इतनी परेशानी से वहाँ उठा नहीं पाते हैं, वो यहाँ ही दर्शन उसके कर लें। और अभी जो अनुराधा जी आई हैं, वो हमारे 9 दुर्गा की स्थापना स्वामी जी कर रहे हैं, जिसमें देवी के जो 9 रूप हैं, तो उसकी स्थापना 16, 17, 18 होगी।
प्राण प्रतिष्ठा।
हाँ, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा जो होगी, क्योंकि किसी चीज़ को लाने के बाद उसमें प्राण की आवाहन किया जाता है, तो मंत्रों के उच्चारण से। तो स्वामी जी ने बनारस से ब्राह्मण को बुलाया हुआ है, पंडित को, और वो 3 दिन करेंगे, 9 बजे से लेकर 4 बजे तक। और आखिरी दिन 18 तारीख को आरती के बाद 9 से 1 बजे तक अनुराधा जी का वहाँ पर भजन है, चौकी है माता की, क्योंकि जब कोई आ जाता है घर में, उसके लिए कीर्तन वगैरह होता है।
तो ये प्राण प्रतिष्ठा पूजा 3 दिन हमेशा होती है?
जी, देवी की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा 3 दिन बहुत नियम से किए जाते हैं। वैसे वहाँ शिवलिंग की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा तो 1 दिन में ही कर दी गई थी, क्योंकि लोगों को समय का अभाव था। लेकिन इसमें जो लोग बैठे हैं वो 3 दिन अपने पूरे संयम के साथ बैठेंगे। जी।
और नव दुर्गा के जो 9 दुर्गा के नाम हैं महागौरी, ब्रह्मचारिणी, कलयात्री, उसके बाद सहलपुत्री, चंद्रघंटा, कुसमंदा, कात्यायनी, कात्यायनी, कालरात्रि और सिद्धिदात्री।
जी, सिद्धिदात्री। तो इनको नवरात्रि के 9 दिन इनके रूपों की पूजा होती है। तो ये पार्वती के ही 9 रूप हैं। तो 9 रूप हैं, तो इसको हमारे यहाँ के बच्चों को, यहाँ के लोग जो यहाँ की नागरिकता ले चुके हैं, जिनके पास बिल्कुल समय नहीं है कि इंडिया में उन पाठ को खोजें, उसको स्वामी जी ने इस दिव्य धाम में उसकी स्थापना की है। और स्वामी जी ने एक काम और किया है जो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारे इंडिया के जितने प्रमुख स्थल के जल हैं, हेमकुंड साहब के, त्रिजुगी नारायण के, गंगोत्री, यमुनोत्री, मंदाकिनी, जितने हमारे तीर्थ स्थल हैं, चाहे जहाँ कुंभ का महापर्व होता है तो वो 4 जगह कुंभ लगते हैं। तो समय समय पर स्वामी जी ने जाके वहाँ के जल को एकत्रित किया है, मानसरोवर के जल को एकत्रित किया है। वहाँ की मिट्टी है जिसको स्वामी जी ने, जिसको स्पर्श से ही यहाँ के जो भक्त हैं उनको उसका लाभ मिल सके, तो उसकी भी स्थापना स्वामी जी ने वहाँ करवाया है। और स्वामी जी ने बॉम्बे से एक बहुत बड़े आर्टिस्ट को बुलाया है, मिस्टर लक्ष्मण इंगले का बेटा है शरद इंगले, जो वहाँ का बहुत ही फेमस कलाकार है। वो गणपति के वहाँ पर मूर्तिकार हैं, जो स्वामी जी अभी इस फंक्शन के बाद वहाँ काम शुरू होगा। तो स्वामी जी का बहुत लंबा उनका जो अभी उन्होंने टारगेट बनाया है,
सब हमारे जो संस्कार हैं, स्पिरिचुअल हेरिटेज है, स्वामी जी सब दिखाएंगे। बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है। अनुराधा जी, आप ये इसी चीज़ के लिए आप आए हैं?
जी हाँ।
यू आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू स्वामी जी, आई बिलीव, एंड यू गोइंग टू बी परफॉर्मिंग माता की चौकी। नाउ देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन माता की, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क मी व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस इन माता की चौकी एंड माता का जागरण। माता का जागरण पूरी रात होता है
और इसमें तारा रानी की कथा वगैरह होती है जागरण में।
अच्छा।
चौकी इज भेंटे और भजनों का
सत होता है, जो थोड़ा समरी जैसे।
एक्चुअली जागरण का मतलब है कि पूरी रात आप जग जाओ, माता की याद में आप पूरी रात को जगेंगे। सुबह में उनके मतलब तारा रानी की कथा सुनकर आरती और भोग लेके तो लोग पूरी रात्रि, सूर्योदय जब हो जाता है तब हम जाते हैं, उसको जागरण कहते हैं। चौकी का मतलब हुआ कि 2 घंटा 3 घंटा, चौकी मतलब उनका आसन बना के उनके ध्यान में हम रहें 2 या 3 घंटे। चौकी का मतलब हम आसन लगा लिए हैं, जो 3 घंटा हम बैठे हैं, 3 घंटा माता के भजन में हम करें, उसको चौकी कहते हैं, जो 12 बजे तक होता है।
तो आप थोड़ा उनके उसके बारे में बताइए, माता की चौकी जो आप अभी you're gonna be performing।
Yes, I'll be performing and कविता मेरी बेटी, मेरा बेटा, वो भी परफॉर्म करेगा।
Yeah, Kavita and Aditya are here. We'll later on we'll be talking to them as well.
And I have Mohan ji on the harmonium and Durga Prasad ji on the tabla.
I see.
And we'll be singing a lot of bhajans, भेंटे mostly, और फिर तो popular bhajans वगैरह जो आप सुनते रहते हैं।
That's right. And where do you get all this energy to sing the whole, 4 hours, 5 hours,
I suppose it all comes from the devotional
That's right.
Music that we do.
Right. And let's take a few calls right now. A lot of people are very anxious to talk to you.
Okay.
You're on the air today. Hello? 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 Yes. Hello, you're on the air. Hello? Yes?
Who's this?
This is ITV Live.
Hi, this is Ricky. How are you?
Hi, how are you? You're the, you're the first caller, so after so long.
हाँ जी, अब मेरी पहली कॉल है। मैं बहुत अर्से ट्राई कर रहा था।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी, क्या रॉयल सपोर्ट से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ?
हाँ जी।
सत श्री अकाल जी।
सत श्री अकाल।
क्या हाल चाल जी?
बस ठीक हूँ।
नाइस टू मीट यू।
ओके।
हाँ, तो आपका शो बहुत अच्छा दिखाई दे रहा है टीवी के ऊपर। एंड हम तुम्हारे गीत बहुत अच्छे पसंद करते हैं सभी।
जी।
हाँ जी, तो गुड लक इन अमेरिका।
Thank you so much.
Alright, have a nice day. Bye.
Okay, thank you. You're on the air. Hello? Hello? Hello, you're on the air. Hi, you're on the air. Hello? Yes, hi.
Welcome to New York, Radha Patwari.
Thank you.
I'm your big fan. I like your voice. My name is Lakshmi, and I like your songs very much, and I love you so much.
Thank you very much.
How is everything?
Fine.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You're on the air. Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
Hi,
Hi.
my name is Nina.
Yes, Meena.
Hi, I'd like to talk to Andra.
Sure, go ahead.
She's having her program only on 18.
Yes, we'll have a program on the 18th and 19th at Connecticut.
On 19th of Connecticut. And this program is on like from 9 a.m. o'clock to 1 o'clock
Yes,
in the morning,
no, in the night.
night time. Okay, we love your songs and I'm one of your fans.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
And can I have the address of where's this Gita temple actually?
I didn't get it. What was it
The
again?
address.
Gita temple.
They want the
Gita
address.
Temple. It's on. It's going to be. She's Anuradha. She will be performing at Divya Dham Gita Temple, which is on 56th Street in Woodside, Queens.
56th Street.
Yes,
Thanks a lot.
and you can call Swamiji at 592-2925.
2925. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. You know, it's very nice to have all these people calling in
Yes,
after
very
such a long
true.
time. Hello, you're on the air. Hello. Hello, we got you here. Hello. Yes.
Hello?
Hello, yes.
Yes, how are you? Hello?
Yeah. Yes, go ahead. We can hear you.
Hold on, my daughter is going to talk to you. For the Miss.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
अनुराधा जी कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ जी.
जी अच्छा कोई अच्छा सा कोई अपनी पसंद का गाना सुना दें.
I knew this would happen.
Yeah, but I'd rather you come on Saturday and then listen to the Chowki.
Just only दो अल्फाज.
दो अंतरे?
जी.
नहीं, आप मेरे ख्याल से वहीं पे आके चौकी सुने तो बेहतर होगा.
देखिए ना आपकी हम रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हैं इसलिए आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि
Okay, thank you.
जॉर्ज प्लीज.
Oh,
ओंकारं बिंदु संयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः.
शुक्रिया बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. हम आपको जरूर आपके प्रोग्राम में आएंगे.
July
ठीक है.
18th को.
जी.
अच्छा जी,
ओके
शुक्रिया.
जी शुक्रिया जी बाय.
Okay. Okay, before I take my next call, we have with us Anuradha's own daughter, Kavita Podwal. It's a pleasure to have you here with us. And Kavita, you're a child artist, just like your brother. We'll be having him also later on. And you started out with karate, and then what was the other movie that you did? Tofa, right? So tell us, how was it? You're actually an artist in your own right, and here you have your mother, too, a legendary singer here with you. How was it to sing with your mom and with your dad also in this music industry?
Well, I started off as a child, and music was as much as a part of growing up as everything else, because I was training under Pandit Jayalal Vasant, and I was doing classical music, which was basically more so as a discipline, and not because I was supposed to take up music as a career. That is something that happened quite naturally. It was a very natural transition. So I guess that's how it happened.
Right. And then, of course, you moved on to sing in movies like Junoon and Sapne. And you're going to continue, of course. I hope.
Yes, yes, definitely.
How about, like your mother, she sings a lot of devotional music. Would you ever join her?
I have done not a lot of devotional music, but yes, I have done devotional music, as in we have a tape called Jagran Ki Raat, which is Mata Ki Bhete, and I have also done a couple of numbers in my mother's tapes and otherwise.
That's beautiful. How is it like singing with your mother?
With her, it's awesome.
Yeah, isn't it awesome? It's amazing.
It's
I mean,
nice.
It's like, wow,
It's very nice.
And would you be singing in the Mata Ki Chauki this
Yes,
Saturday?
yes, I'm very fortunate to be here for that.
Oh, that's wonderful. Let's take one more call here. You're on the air. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, Anuradha ji and Kavita ji. Welcome to New York,
Thank you.
Thank you.
and we are really keen to see you on Mata Ki Chauki in Divya.
Okay.
I'm going to request you if you can sing one bhajan, or just 2 lines, if you don't mind.
Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते.
Very nice.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Very good.
And now, Kavita, this is your turn.
Oh, there you go.
You know, honestly, I think all of you should be coming for the chowki
are
because you know what's going to happen there is it's going to be a different atmosphere altogether.
Absolutely. Are you coming there on Saturday?
Yes, hope to see you there.
Definitely, definitely. We'll see you there.
Thank you
Kavita,
very
do you
much.
know who is this? Asha Dua.
Oh, okay. How are you doing?
Good.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
Nice to
thank
see
you, Asha.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for your call. Hi, you on the air? Hello? 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 You on the air? Hello?
Hi, is Mrs. Another Palo, please?
Yes,
Hi, this is Mompi. Welcome to New York.
thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I love your voice and it's very sweet. And I have many
Turn
collections.
down the volume on a TV set. Okay.
And I love your voice and I have many collections of your CDs and cassettes.
Okay,
And wish you good luck, okay?
thank you so much.
Thank
All right,
you.
bye-bye.
Are you coming tomorrow on Saturday?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. You on the air?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Hello? Okay. Callers, please tone down the volume on your TV sets so that way, you don't get that sound back. Hello, you're on the air?
हेलो
Yes.
नमस्ते जी.
Namaste ji.
मैं अपने इनों पे बात करनी थी
हाँ, जरूर।
कि प्रवासी से.
हाँ जी, करो.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
हाँ जी, वेलकम टू न्यूयॉर्क.
Thank you.
तो हम आपको बहुत आपकी फिल्में देखी हैं हमने, इनमें म्यूजिक आपका देखा है, बहुत आपकी आवाज़ अच्छी है जी.
Okay.
तो हम आपको सैटरडे जरूर मिलेंगे जी.
Thank you.
ओके.
Okay, thank you. You're on the air. Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear us? Well, we take a... Hello? Hello, can you hear us? Hello? Okay. I believe you were at the Independence Jubilee celebration in Canada, Golden Jubilee.
Yes, that's right.
Tell us, and Radhaji, were you also there with her?
No.
Okay, so you were all by yourself that time.
Yes.
So how was it? I think Shatrughan Sinha was there as well. And
Yes, there were a lot of
Ron.
other people, yes. It went over very well. It was nice. I believe he was supposed to come to the US, but then things probably didn't work out.
Right, right,
And
right.
but whatever happened was very nice. The programs went over really well.
Right, right. And now, besides, of course, your music, are you going to college? What are you doing as well?
I have done my graduation in commerce, and I've done my management. So
Wonderful.
I've also done my film and video production. So that's what I intend doing in future.
And you'll be managing your mother's finances and career.
Well, that's
She
nature.
already is doing.
Oh, she already is doing it. I don't have to even say that. That's wonderful. That's really nice. And Radhaji, how do you feel? I mean, both your son and daughter, made a mark in the music industry.
Yes,
Must be-
it's. I feel very proud as a mother,
Yes.
and Kavita is a pillar of strength to me,
Mm.
and I'm very happy.
That's wonderful, to hear a tribute from your own mom right there, with you, yeah. And of course we have Aditya too, the final football here to come to our studios today, and soon he'll be joining us as well. And let's take our next caller. You're on the air. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
हेलो. आपका ये राधा जी, आपका प्रोग्राम किस जगह पे है?
ये जी जुलाई
दिव्य धाम में, जुलाई 18 को दिव्य धाम में.
ठीक है. हमको आपके ये भजन बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, तो हम आप जरूर आएंगे आपके ये भजन देखने. क्या आप थोड़ा सुनाएंगे आप जरा?
मैंने ऑलरेडी गा लिया है. आप 18 को वहीं आके सुन लीजिएगा.
आप माता की कोई भेंट सुना दीजिए प्लीज, थोड़ी सी.
अभी मैंने माता का श्लोक सुनाया है, शिव जी का श्लोक सुनाया है, और वहीं पे मिलते हैं.
चलो ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
Acha ji, thank you very much. You're on the air. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
yes, what?
हेलो
Yes. Yes.
जी, आपसे कहना है, अनुराधा से सवाल करना है
हाँ जी.
कि आप आजकल फिल्म के लिए क्यों नहीं गा रही?
मैं फिल्मों के लिए गा रही हूँ. उन्हीं फिल्मों के तो नाम आपको सुना है, जो मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी, लाल बादशाह, राजा को रानी से प्यार हो गया, ये सभी अभी की फिल्में हैं.
तो अपना कोई अच्छा सा गाना सुना दीजिए, तू मेरी जिंदगी है, थोड़ा सा गुनगुना दीजिए।
नहीं, मैं ये मतलब यहाँ पर भजनों के प्रोग्राम्स के लिए मैं आई हूँ और सैटरडे को जो चौकी है, मैं आशा करती हूँ आप लोग वहीं पे मुझे
नहीं वो तो हम
आके
जरूर
सुनेंगे।
आएंगे, लेकिन इस वक्त थोड़ा सा
नहीं, मैं इन दोनों चीज़ों को मिक्सअप नहीं करना चाहूँगी।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका।
Thank you. We have with us now the youngest Podwal, Aditya Podwal, who actually is the youngest music director in the whole of Asia. He started off at the age of 8 with the Jago Sai Mohan Pyare.
Yeah.
Tell us, that's amazing, huh? And you're 13 now.
Yeah.
You're still very, very young.
Yeah.
How did you get into it at the age of 8?
My father's incomplete film, music film, it was incomplete, so my sister did it. उन्होंने full किया वो movie को, music उसका score. So I started telling my mom that I also wanted to do a film. So my mom told that don't do a film. If you want to do, you do a album of a bhajan for me of Sai Baba. So मैंने ये गाना इनको सुनाया, ओ साई बाबा मेरे, the first song which I did. So she liked it and we did a album called Jago Sai Mohan Pyare.
Oh, and that was when you were 8 years old?
Yeah.
That's amazing. I mean, like 8 people don't even know like half the stuff, you know. Forget about music. You must be breathing music every day. That's what's happening, you know. I mean, people breathe oxygen, you breathe music. That's what's basically the case with you. And now it's been like what? So how many years now? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 years now.
Yeah.
You're a pro almost, you know. That's amazing. So what are you doing now? You're
Now
cutting out another album?
I'm in Bombay. I'm doing quite of serials. But there's one serial based on Jesus Christ.
I see.
It's known as Daya Sagar. It's on DD1 in Bombay, in India.
It's a 108 episode serial.
Oh.
So I'm doing songs for it, and I've just recently signed the film, a Marathi film of NFDC.
Oh, I see. So tell me about this this serial that you're doing. You're directing. You're a music director in this. What exactly?
Yeah.
You're a music director in this.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing? Like a 13-year-old boy actually directing the whole thing, the music score, and for such a big serial. How do people take him? I mean, like, you know, he's just a little kid, or they really.
I know. I feel it's a great blessing.
Yeah.
माता का आशीर्वाद है, शिव जी की कृपा है. That people who approach him have a lot of faith in him. So it's they who have more faith in him, you know, than me saying anything.
Amazing. So Aditya, what else you want to do?
I'm doing my schooling also.
Yes,
I'm in
I
8th
know.
standard.
You're in 8th standard?
Yeah. So I'm studying in BPM in Khar.
What is BPM? It's the name of a school.
It's a name of the school. The
What?
full form is Babu Bhai Pannalal Mohanlal High School.
Okay.
I'm learning tabla from my Guruji, father of Ustad Zakir Hussain,
I
Allah
see.
Rakha Khasa.
I see.
And I used to learn singing from Suresh Wadkar, son of Jayalal Vasanji. So I recently stopped it.
That's really, Anuradha, this is like you're blessed. I mean, you know, imagine a little boy like this. I mean, it's amazing. Do you want to direct, I mean, you know, songs for your sister also?
Yeah, I'm
Do you
planning
fight a
to.
lot?
I'm planning to. We
You
fight
don't
a lot
have fights
actually.
at all? Like, hey, I don't want to do this with you. Or she's like,
Actually, she's sang a couple of songs for him in the serial Daya Sagar.
So were you able to tell your sister, hey, I want you to do this and not that? Or
Yeah.
was it difficult? Did she listen to you? She's here right now, so
Yeah, I know. Yeah, she sang the songs very well,
I see.
and it was a good job done by her.
Oh, wonderful. Kavita, you must hear that. Tell me, would you like to one day do some music direction for your mother?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Means the first album which I did, she had sung all the songs in it.
How do you feel? I mean, this must be amazing, like your own son telling you, Mom, do this.
This is very nice. It's just ईश्वर की कृपा है ये.
बिल्कुल. सबको नहीं मिलती है. You're really blessed. That's wonderful. Let's take our next caller. You're on the air. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Hi. I think it's a great opportunity for me to be able to speak to Anuradha Podwal. I think her bhajans have inspired me to such an extent that I've been very religious from the very beginning, and I come from a religious family. But they have given so much more meaning to my life. I'm just like 26 years old, but it's been an honor to just hear them. I'm seeing them for the first time in person.
Thank you so much.
And I feel I'm sure you're a very proud mother, because I see your children are so talented. And I hope one day when I grow up, and I hope I get children like yours. They're excelling in every field, and I can see the mutual respect that you have. It's really an honor to have somebody like you in our country. And I think with your talent, I think you're doing such a tremendous job.
Thank you so much.
I just want to congratulate you and thank you so much, and for all the CDs that you have done, because they are so much a part of our lives.
Thank you so much.
We'll definitely see you at the program.
Definitely.
Congratulations and good luck in everything all of you do.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. That's a beautiful compliment,
Yes.
And,
yes.
all your songs are
I
part
know,
of everybody's lives these days.
Yes.
And Bhakti Sagar, of course,
Yes.
people wake up
Yes,
with
of
Bhakti
course.
Sagar. And I just want to add here that at the Gita Temple, Divya Dham Gita Temple, where Anuradha Podwalji will be performing this Saturday, July 18th, we have the president of the Sadhu Samaj. He's coming also. He's come all the way from India. And he's actually the president of all the Swamis and Sadhus in the entire country. And his name is Swami Mangla Anandji. He'll be also gracing the occasion. And so it's going to be really a very big event. Mata Ki Chauki with Anuradha Podwalji, Aditya Podwal, giving the direction there that day.
Yeah, I'm playing tabla.
And you're playing the tabla,
Yeah,
and of course
I'm
Kavita
accompanying
ji,
my mother.
Kavita
Yes.
Podwal will be also there, and along with the other
Other
musicians
musicians.
as well.
Yeah.
And that'll be for 4 hours, 9 p.m. to 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. And you can call Swamiji Jagdishwar Anand or Vibhaji at 5922925. Let's take our next caller. You're on the air. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
बिंदु जी
हाँ जी नमस्ते.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार जी.
अनुराधा जी.
हाँ जी नमस्कार.
हेलो.
हाँ जी. वॉल्यूम को थोड़ा कम कर दीजिए. हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
Yeah.
How are you doing, Anuradha ji?
Fine, thank you.
I am ardent fan of yours. I am Dr. Tiwari here. I am from Hyderabad.
Okay.
And I like your songs much.
Thank you very
your
much.
devotional songs too. And एक song आपका मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा. It's a filmy. That's Sadak.
Okay.
And if you could sing a little while, I'll be thankful. Or else you go ahead with the Phool Gulab ka. Ek stanza. Being a doctor, I am requesting you.
I have come here for the Mata Ki Chauki.
Agreed.
And I wouldn't really like to mix up the two,
For the change, if you feel like God will forgive, God should forgive. Please.
He wants you to sing one line probably.
हाँ जी.
From Sadak, I think.
इंतजार कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है
Thank you very much, Anuradha ji. God bless you.
Welcome.
And I will be in the temple to see you in person.
Okay.
Thank you, ji. All the best.
Okay, thank you. You're on the air. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
This is Karan Sodhi.
Yes. How are you? How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Good. So you're a little 1 year older than Aditya. Oh, I mean, no, sorry. When he started off. Okay. Who you want to talk to, Aditya?
Yes.
Okay. Aditya is your friend.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
How do you feel to be a singer's daughter, son?
Singer's son.
Yeah, I feel great. I really feel great that I have mother like Anuradha ji and I have daughter like Kavita Podwal.
Your sister.
My sister, yeah.
Yeah, That's sweet. Yeah.
Are you gonna be there when she sings at Connecticut?
You want her to sing in Connecticut?
No, is he gonna be there?
Yes,
no.
yes.
I'm going to be
Yes,
playing tabla,
yes, he's going to be
accompanying my
playing.
mom.
He's going to be accompanying me.
Here, talk to my sister.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes.
Wait, hello, ma'am.
This is Deepu, his brother.
Deepu the brother, or Deepu the sister? Think. Check. How old are you?
How are you?
How old are you, Deepu?
9 years old. We're twins.
Oh, you're twins. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to talk to who? You want to talk to Anuradhaji or you want to talk to Aditya?
I want to talk to the boy.
The boy, Aditya. That's his name.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
right.
forgot.
Okay, go ahead. What do you want to ask him?
How old are you?
I'm right now I'm 13 years old.
That's it? You want to
I'll
be
give
a...
you my phone number. You want to call me?
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, let's be friends, right? You want to be a music director too? Huh?
Yes.
Good. So you have to take classes from him now. That means going back to Bombay. Okay? All right. Take care,
Bye.
Deepu. All right. You're on the air. Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Hello?
Yes? Hello?
नमस्कार जी
Namaskar.
अनुराधा जी नमस्कार
नमस्कार.
अनुराधा जी मुझे अफसोस है कि ये लोग जो आपको बार बार उल्टा सीधा गाने को कह रहे हैं इसका मुझे सख्त अफसोस है
नहीं नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ कोई आप जैसे अच्छे लोगों आप यहाँ आए हैं अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं हमें बेहद खुशी है और मैं चाहूँगा कि उधर ही आपको आके मिलूंगा यहाँ कुछ गाने के लिए नहीं होगा बस आप जैसे अच्छे आर्टिस्ट से बात होगी है और इतना ही हम सबके लिए अच्छा है.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
आदित्य जी आप कैसे हैं?
बस मैं ठीक हूँ, थैंक यू.
चलो गॉड ब्लेस यू.
थैंक
अनुराधा
यू
जी बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी
जी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
रेणु जी थैंक यू वेरी मच आपने बहुत अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हमको मिलवाए हैं.
Thank you, Ji.
Bye
Thank you. Bye. You're on the air. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Hello?
Yes?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay. Go ahead.
और मैं अनुराधा जी से बात करना चाहती हूँ. मैंने इनकी बहुत सी गज़लें सुनी है और मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मैं इनसे ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी कि ये अगर अपनी गज़ल गुनगुना दें. जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं. प्लीज़.
जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं. मैं तो मर कर भी मेरी जान तुझे चाहूँगा. जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Very good. It's amazing, you know. You're on the air. Hello?
Hello, Renu ji.
Renu ji, yes?
Okay, I want to speak to Anuradha, please.
Anji.
अनुराधा जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
बड़ी खुशी हुई आपको टीवी पर देखते हुए.
जी.
हम आपके बहुत प्यारे हैं अनुराधा जी.
हाँ जी.
आपका प्रोग्राम देखने तो एक आरती सुना दीजिए. मेहरबानी
भाई साहब ऐसा है कि अब एक एक कॉलर के लिए मैं एक एक गाना नहीं गा सकती हूँ. मैं माफ़ी चाहती हूँ. अभी इसके बाद मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग जब चौकी के दिन मिलेंगे उसी वक्त आप जितनी मर्जी चाहे गाने
जी. अच्छा
सुनिए.
कोई बात नहीं है. अनुराधा जी एक छोटा डाउट है मेरे में.
हाँ जी.
लाल बादशाह मूवी में आप गाने आप गए या नहीं? लाल बादशाह मूवी जो अमिताभ की रिलीज होने वाली है
हाँ जी.
आप जी ने गए ना?
जी जी.
जी अच्छा वही आपका आवाज सुना हूँ मैं
अच्छा.
तो इसीलिए मैं बड़ी खुशी हुई.
हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
ओके.
Thank you. You're on the air.
हेलो हेलो.
Yes?
Yes, this is Renu Lobo.
Hello?
Hello, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Turn on the volume, we can hear you. Otherwise,
पौडवाल.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
पौडवाल जी मेरे को बहुत खुशी है कि मैंने आपको टीवी पे देखा है.
हाँ हाँ.
तो मैं वैसे पंजाब का रहने वाला हूँ. तो क्या आप शब्द गुरबानी का गा सकते हैं सिर्फ?
भाई साहब मैं माफ़ी चाहती हूँ, मतलब मेरे लिए ये फिजिकली इम्पॉसिबल है कि मतलब एक एक कॉलर के लिए एक एक गाना गाना, तो आप प्लीज़ हम लोग सैटरडे को जब चौकी के दिन मिलेंगे तब ज़रूर सुनिएगा। अपनी जितनी फरमाइश है उस दिन ज़रूर मुझे दीजिएगा।
एक लाइन भी नहीं आप गा सकते?
मैं हाथ जोड़ के माफ़ी चाहती हूँ आपसे और बाकी सभी कॉलर से कि मतलब ये रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करे, क्योंकि जितना मैं सुना सकती थी फ़ोन पे उतना मैंने सुना दिया है।
अच्छा जी, अब मेरी सिस्टर से बात करना।
Hi, I'm Radha Parval. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How you feel in America?
It's very nice.
Okay, I am coming to the Divya Dham and I will meet you there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Last few callers, you're on the air. Hello. Hello.
हेलो।
Yes.
जय माता दी।
जय माता दी।
अनुराधा जी, हमारा खुशनसीबी है कि हमने मुजफ्फरनगर में भी आपका शिवरात्रि के दिन दर्शन किए थे।
जी जी।
अभी दोबारा आपके दर्शन करने का मौका मिल रहा है।
जी जी।
बस आपको देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई।
थैंक यू सो मच।
भगवान करे आप ऐसे ही भजन हमें सुनाती रहे।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
और अपना भी जन्म और हमारा जन्म भी सिद्ध कर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। ओके बाय।
अच्छा, शुक्रिया। You're on the air. Hello.
हेलो।
Yes.
अनुराधा जी।
नमस्ते जी।
नमस्कार। आपके ये टी सीरीज के कैसेट्स टेप्स वे सुनते हैं?
हाँ।
इतने अच्छे लगते हैं।
अच्छा।
और कोई भी दिन ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम आधा घंटा आपकी वो शिव जी के भजन और या माता की भेंटें न सुन लें।
जी।
तो हिंदुस्तान से यहाँ आकर इतना अच्छा लगता है कि आपकी सुबह सुबह आपकी आवाज सुनते हैं।
जी जी।
और उसी से अपना दिन शुरू करते हैं।
जी, ये मेरी खुशकिस्मती है कि मैं एक यहाँ पे जो हमारे इंडियंस बसे हुए हैं उनके साथ एक लिंक ईश्वर ने मुझे अपने आवाज़ के ज़रिए और ईश्वर की कृपा के ज़रिए लिंक बनाए रखा है एंड आई एम एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट।
अनुराधा जी, मेरी भगवान से यही एक प्रार्थना है कि आपको बहुत लंबी उम्र दें और हमारे साथ हमारे लिए आप ऐसे गाती रहें, तो यही मुझे चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay, thank you for your call. You're on the air. Hello.
Hello, Renu. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. नमस्ते अनुराधा जी।
नमस्कार।
कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
अच्छा अनुराधा जी, हम तो आएंगे ज़रूर वहाँ आपके गीत सुनने के लिए, लेकिन यहाँ हर रोज़ सवेरे हम लोग भक्ति सागर प्रोग्राम में आपके गाना सुनते हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
ओके।
और उस दिन आप शिव आराधना के कुछ गाने गाएंगे क्या?
हाँ बिल्कुल गाऊंगी।
अच्छा, और उसके साथ एक और रिक्वेस्ट है उस दिन। वो ठुमक चलत राम।
हाँ, ये भी गाऊंगी मैं।
वो भी आप गाएं।
जी जी।
हाँ, फिर तो अपना पूरा सार्थक हो गया उस दिन आने का।
जी।
वेलकम ओवर हियर। वी लव योर सॉन्ग्स।
थैंक यू सो मच।
एंड वी विल सी यू दैट डे।
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was our last caller. And Radhaji, it's been an absolute delight to have you here with us.
My pleasure.
And you know, we had you I think 3.5 years ago.
Yes.
And it's pleasure's all mine, you know, to have you here
Thank
with us.
you so much.
You've brought so much of our spiritual heritage to Indians all over, and you know the credit goes to you completely.
Thank you so
made
much.
India a little bit more pious, believe me. You know. And Ditya, you like to stay in New York or?
No.
Wanna go back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, one day, maybe, perhaps, you know. As
Yeah,
the youngest
sure.
music director, that's amazing. And of course, Kavita Potwal will be also there. It will be Kavita, Aditya, and of course, their mother, the legendary artist, Anuradha Potwal, on Saturday, July 18th at 9 p.m. at the Divya Dham Gita Temple, which is in Woodside, Queens, on 56th Street. And Anuradha ji will be performing at the Mata Ki Chowki. And also, who will be coming and gracing the occasion will be President of the Sadhu Samaj, the Gita Mandir, Swami Mangla Anandji, and the Secretary would be Satya Anandji. They both will be gracing the occasion. And of course, the Swamiji behind it all is Swami Jagdishwar Anandji of the Gita Temple. And this again, as I said, will be Saturday, July 18. Just a quick to let you know our next upcoming shows. Next Wednesday will be a show on personal injury. That will be July 22nd, and July 29th will be on social security. Tomorrow there will be a show in Punjabi with Narinder Chanchal. I'm Renu Loeb, and thank you very much for watching our first ITV Live call-in after a long time. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.